Hi, I'm Wrocławia, number X boss, and this is my magic cube, Rubik's cube. I designed this based on the 48 bearings, very small, 7 millimeters diameter. So on the edge block you can find 2 bearings, and on the corners 3 different bearings on each. Yeah. So it's a little bit smaller size of the cube in comparison to the normal size. It's 16 millimeters size of each block. So finally you can find the design 48 millimeters only. Okay, you can try to assemble all pieces. So it is not that fast as normally it should be, but yeah, we must start from this. Of course, we have got springs inside and special shape of the sphere, so we can see the result in a few minutes. It's not that easy. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, and another one. Oh, where it is? Okay, first layer. Looks nice. Okay, let's continue. It will be better and better seconds ago. Okay, another block. It's twisted design. It's not that easy, but we can go now here. Okay, and now I'm looking for this one. I paint the layers, and every block has got the right colors, I suppose. Only the white is converted to black, so the black plus is here. Okay, let's go. And the red layer, red side is almost ready, and now we must put the last edge. Okay, I just finished the red layer. Still orange remaining. Where is the black? Okay, here. This one, and now I'm looking for this nice S. Yellow is nice S, and the black star on the orange one, and corners at the moment, the corners, and the green layer, and the green side will be done in a minute, in a second. I don't try to destroy the whole assembly. Okay, and wow, my fingers shaking. I've got a lot of motion. It is my first try. Wow, and the magic cube, numbers or Romans magic cube. It's really high, really heavy. It's really small. Okay. And you can see, oh, my mistake. Okay, it's working. Okay. I must try maybe do something special for you. Okay. I make a mistake. Okay, so it's working. Thank you very much.